over 50 years, Vlamboog in the Netherlands has been active in the development, production and marketing of welding products and accessories. In the field of gouging, Vlamboog has become one of the leaders in the industry. This video will guide you through the applications, possible alternatives, the benefits of gouging, the requirements and the gouging process. Gouging has a wide range of applications. These include stripping off redundant materials, like, for instance, in the foundry industry. Other applications are cleaning of materials, metal removal, grooving, beveling, smoothing, marking, checking of depths, checking of superficial faults, and of course, cutting. Usually the process of grinding is quite time-consuming and very energy inefficient. Therefore, this is not a real suitable alternative for gouging. Furthermore, high noise levels makes grinding very uncomfortable indeed. Cutting is still widely used as an alternative for gouging. The need for both oxygen and acetylene, as well as the heat development of the material, makes cutting a less attractive alternative. Also, cutting does not meet the level of precision which is required in metal removal. The advantages of gouging are abundant. Cast steel, stainless steel, steel carbon, low and high alloys, copper alloys, cast iron, manganese steel, nickel alloy, and many other varieties are all suitable materials for gouging. Gouging is fast, convenient, precise, economic, efficient, and does not cause any heat nor pollutants in the material. Therefore, no follow-up treatments like cleaning, grooving, cutting and grinding are required. The following tools are required for gouging. The flare gouging torch, which is available in flare 600 for 600 amps, flare 1600 for 1600 amps, and flare 600 eco for 600 amps. The flare monocable, for the supply of both power and compressed air. The flare 600 eco can be used without the flare monocable. Vlamboog gouging electrodes, which are available in pointed, jointed and flat versions, all in various dimensions and diameters. The Vlamboog gouging earth clamp. The weld-safe gouging earth cable, which can be supplied in complete sets suitable for all possible connectors. Moreover, proper protective clothing is essential. This includes the multi-vision gouging helmet with an optional auto-darkening cassette, weld-safe gouging gloves, the weld-safe gouging jacket, and weld-safe gouging trousers. Prior to the gouging itself, proper weld-safe protective clothing should be worn. Then the flare gouging torch is connected to the flare monocable. The monocable is connected to the compressed air system and the power source. Furthermore, the power source is connected through the earth clamp with the workpiece. The electrode is inserted into the flare gouging torch and the air valve is pushed open. Then the arc can be lit and gouging can begin. Gouging from Vlamboog, the metal removal method for all possible applications.